What's up, guys? I wanted to show you what living on $24,000 a year really looks like. Um, this is not my salary. I save the rest of it. And what people don't understand is like I only live on I live off of half my salary. Oh, less than that. Well, after taxes, yeah, half my salary. So $24,000 a year, people are like, oh, that's not possible. People aren't work. I'm like, yeah, it is. I live in Colorado. The rent's a lot more expensive than back at home in Missouri. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit what my place looks like, how I do it. I'll probably do it while I walk around my house. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so this is what my setup is for editing videos and whatnot. I don't really edit videos. I'm pretty bad at the YouTube, but I'm trying to teach some people. So this is my setup. I got these free from work. They were just giving them away. Took them. They're really old. They're freaking massive. Got that from work. They're giving that away. My buddy gave this to me. But a lot of this stuff in here, I got for free or on a good deal. So that's from Walmart. It's kind of a piece of crap. I would not recommend that desk. They were giving that away, throwing that away. This is from another contractor on site. There was like, yeah, we don't want anything. So that might be specialized to me, but my couch, chair, that was from my grandma. She was getting new furniture, so she's like, oh yeah, I'll help out my grandson. So really, I mean, just look out for those good deals. Don't go out and buy new furniture, especially if you're young. If you're 25 like me, even 22, like I didn't buy new furniture when I moved out of state. I was like, screw it, I'm gonna get stuff from my friends, family, whatever they want to give me, I'll take. If you're gonna get married in the future, it's probably gonna change anyways. So this was free from my boss down in Houston. It's kind of hideous, but I don't know, maybe I can spice it up, put some paint on it. This is childhood dartboard. This is from my family. Basically, I think this is from like before high school, my bed. Bought that off Facebook Marketplace, good deal. Same with that. I think these both were $100. So, good deal. All that was free from my family. Bought this for $20 off of YouTube or Facebook. Everything is pretty. Oh, that was free from the job site. But yeah, look for those good deals. You can find good deals out there. This mirror, it was in the trash. So it has like a broken deal right there and broken down there. But look how cool this is. And basically, I just put a plug on it. I'm not an electrician. It's really simple to put a plug on this. I don't know if this is probably not the right way to do it, but look at that. It lights up and everything. I don't know how much these things are, but they're... Oh. Well, it used to work. I don't know. But yeah, freaking cool. Free. You just gotta look for those deals. Always be looking for deals. That was from a thrift shop. That was $5. That's my girlfriend's and I's kind of project. So this is from the thrift shop too. $3. About killed me the other day. Pull-up bar. All those luggages are going back home. I just use those to bring clothes back and whatnot. Christmas presents. But anyways, it's the place I live in. $1,200 a month. Double sink. I don't know how big it is, but brand new house. Again, found this on Facebook Marketplace. Pretty freaking nice place for $1,200. Got my own washer dryer. One thing that I've been doing lately, since inflation might become a thing, I've been stocking up on things that I can't stock up on. So, I mean, it's gonna go up in price inevitably. So, you don't really need to see in there. It's just coats, but this is my kitchen. Pretty nice. Got a garage right here. It's pretty messy, but yeah, got that off Facebook Marketplace. Work, they're giving that away too. Yeah. Facebook Marketplace, $100. Actually, it might have been 50. I don't know. Walmart, that's kind of a piece too. I'd rather buy something off Facebook. Grandma is giving that away. It's pretty thick. I think it's almost on its way out too. But yeah. And then what I drive, I'll put another picture. I drive this and a Jetta. So yeah, I made that little house tour for y'all. So yeah, we'll get back into how to do this. All right, so I'll go into another in detail, basically what I spend for a month or whatever for a year on a next video. But I just want to show you that it's possible to spend only $24,000 a year and live really good. I have 2 cars. They both are less expensive than my truck was, about a third the cost of my truck. So that's the one mess up, but I enjoyed the truck. So truck was $30,000. Bought both these cars for 10, basically. A diesel Jetta gets me 50 miles to a gallon to go to work and back. And then the Suburban to go off-roading and camping. You can see another video on my channel where it's basically a camper. Has a refrigerator, full-size bed, generator. So yeah, my car insurance is super cheap, just as liability. $600 for 6 months for both of those and a motorcycle. Let's see. So yeah, I basically spend $2,000 a month. $1,200 of that is going to rent, and then the extra $800 is going to food, gas, going out with friends. It's not too hard to live frugally, but still have fun. Don't go get coffee. Use the 20-cent iced coffee like Graham back there. I've been watching him lately. And biggest thing, just don't spend money on eating out. That's one of the big things that I cut down on. So yeah, I'll go into a little bit more detail in another video on my breakdown. But yeah, those are the 2 big things: eating out, drinking out, 3 big things, and living. Try to find a cheap place. Don't spend money on eating out or drinking. Drinking's super expensive. Drink Busch Light, Midwest is best, nectar to the gods. Yeah, so if you have any questions, throw them below. I'll be glad to answer them.